Welcome back to the channel. If you're a freelancer, contractor, or anyone who received non-employee income, today's video is your full 2025 guide to filing a 1099 NEC using TurboTax. I'll walk you through every step so you can file with confidence and avoid costly mistakes. Stick around until the end for a few key tips that can save you time and stress this tax season. First, head over to the official TurboTax website. Use any browser and go to the TurboTax homepage. If you already have an account, click Sign In. If not, select Create Account and follow the prompts to set up your free profile. Make sure you use an email you check regularly because TurboTax will send important updates there. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your dashboard. From here, look for the Federal section. This is where you manage all federal tax forms. Click on Federal to open it. Next, you need to report your self-employment income. Inside the Federal section, find Wages and Income and click to expand it. There's a search field at the top. Type 1099 NEC and hit Enter. TurboTax will immediately pull up the correct form so you don't have to dig around. Now choose Self-Employment. This step is crucial because it tells the IRS that the income on your 1099 NEC is non-employee compensation, not wages from a regular job. After selecting self-employment, click Start to begin entering your details. Have your physical or digital 1099 NEC form ready. You'll need to input the payer's name, address, and identification number, exactly as it appears along with the income amount from box 1. Double-check each entry. Even a small typo can delay your return or trigger IRS questions. Depending on your situation, TurboTax might prompt you to upgrade your plan. For example, if you have multiple 1099 NEC forms or other business deductions. Don't skip this if it applies. The upgrade gives you access to tools and guidance for self-employment taxes, which can help you find deductions and stay compliant. Finally, review your entries carefully. Accuracy is everything when dealing with the IRS. Once you're confident, continue to the e-file section, follow the prompts, and submit your return electronically. TurboTax will confirm once your filing is complete, and that's it, your full 2025 guide to filing a 1099 NEC on TurboTax. By following these steps, you'll save time, reduce errors, and keep your freelance income tax ready. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more tax and finance tips, and drop any questions in the comments below. Filing taxes doesn't have to be stressful. You've got this.